Alright, y'all, just want to say hello and welcome to another episode of Better Than Bad. Episode 18!
Fox Edition!
Today we're going to be working on a composite. My little one Jaden said she wanted to work on something with a fox. So what I did is I looked up some different foxes and I'm going to present them to her. We're going to be putting this image together with advanced compositing techniques such as blend modes, multiple layers, multiple images. One of the main things we're going to focus on today is the light source. I know Jaden mentioned she wanted to have a desert scene, which means there's probably going to be a sunset. I don't know. She's going to take the image, she's going to let me know what she wants, and we need to make sure that our fox and our desert have similar sources. So if the sun is coming from over here, we're gonna have shadows on the face or on the opposite side of our primary subject. Okay, so Jaden found a couple different ideas. As we mentioned, we want to use a fox, and she mentioned she wanted to use a desert. So show me what you found. Which one do you want to use?
This one.
Okay, so why do you like this one?
Because it's sitting and it has nice detail and it kind of has a depth of field. You're focusing more on the fox.
See that? She even knows.
And then the background, so that's why I like this one.
Okay, but you know we're gonna get rid of that background, right?
Yeah, I know, but that's the reason why I like this one.
There you go, that's great. Okay, so what desert scene do you want to use today?
I like this one.
Okay, why do you like this one? I like this one because it's blue, and blue is the opposite of orange. So it's gonna look really clean when we put it together, naturally.
The reason why I like this is also because it's more focused on the ground level. And I like also how it fades right here to like a light blue, like a mid aqua, and then a dark blue.
Awesome. And is there anything else you'd want to put in that scene?
More clouds. I love clouds.
Okay, so we're gonna throw some clouds in there, right? And you mentioned something about another fox. You wanted to put two foxes in there?
Yeah, I wanted to like make sure they looked like they liked each other, like snuggling.
I don't know about snuggling unless we find them like that, but we're gonna put the main fox in there, and that's gonna be our primary subject. I think a really cool faded moon in the clouds maybe, and then we'll probably put something off in the distance. At this point, we're just gonna jump into this, yeah?
Yep.
Right? Anything else you want to add? Unicorns and rainbows and all that jazz? No? Just something clean like that?
Yep.
All right. So with Jaden's approval, we're going to go ahead and move forward and get this composite together.
it's just us.
Okay, well, what is that? How many hours is that? That was what? We started at 10? It's 1:40 right now? Holy geez, so that was some time, but we threw some lunch in there too. So here's what I did. We took Jaden's idea, we got a fox, and she wanted to put it in a desert, so we put it in a desert. Well, I just finished it. I'm gonna see what Jaden thinks about it. So I took her ideas, put it in this
So nervous.
digitally, and let's see what she thinks.
Holy cow! What? I love it.
What do you like about it?
The moon and yet the fox's eyes. Oh, that's
You like it?
Oh, yeah.
It shines, huh?
Yeah.
You see my triangle
Yep.
trademark?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Unexpected, huh?
Yeah.
Is it pretty? It's vibrant?
Yes.
Okay. So, do they deserve to see it
Later.
later? How about right now?